Hello, good morning, students. Welcome to our reading project. So, this is our first reading, okay? As usual, I will show you the tutorial how to read this, and then you can follow me and you can start reading all the sentences in English and in Indonesia, okay? Well, I will start from reading English first. We have 8 sentences. Are you ready? Let's go. Number one, she bakes the cake. Number two, I rake the leaves. Number three, can you see the lake? Number four, I have a red cape. Number five, Dave saves my life. Number six, is the tape on the table? Number seven, the wave pushes me hard. And the last number eight, I make my own cake. Well, that is for English. Now we go to Indonesia. Nomor satu, Mama beli sapu baru. Nomor dua, Papa suka baca koran. Nomor tiga, sapi makan rumput. Nomor empat, palu itu berat. Nomor lima, saya makan roti. Saya makan roti pakai roti. Nomor enam, guru mengajar di sekolah. Nomor tujuh, kami ragu dengan adik. Nomor delapan, saya suka membaca kata. Well, so that's all for the reading tutorial. You can read the sentences and then mommy will record you and mommy can send the reading videos to our WhatsApp group. Okay? So good luck for you kids. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.